In 2026, the United States is tightening immigration enforcement like never before, and some Asian countries are facing the harshest crackdowns. Thousands of people could be forced to leave the country. In today's video, we break down the 7 Asian countries Trump wants to send back in 2026 and the real reasons behind these deportations. Watch till the end because the number one country may surprise you. Let's dive in. Number 7. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is facing increased deportation enforcement in 2026, putting thousands of immigrants in the U.S. at risk. So, why are Bangladeshi immigrants facing such high deportation rates? The biggest reason is visa overstays and unauthorized employment. Many individuals enter the U.S. on tourist or student visas, but remain after their visas expire. Under current enforcement priorities, overstays are a top trigger for deportation, and Bangladesh is now considered a high overstay country. Another major concern is document fraud. U.S. immigration officials have flagged cases involving false or questionable paperwork during visa applications. While most applicants are legitimate, these cases create stricter scrutiny for the entire community. Unauthorized work is also heavily targeted. Many Bangladeshi immigrants work in construction, restaurants, and retail without proper authorization. Workplace raids now place both employers and workers at serious risk. There are also family-based immigration violations, including fake marriages or fraudulent sponsorships. When discovered, these cases often result in immediate removal proceedings. In 2026, Bangladeshi immigrants without valid legal status face their highest deportation risk in years. Quick question, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. Number 6. Nepal. Nepal is now under increased deportation pressure, affecting thousands of Nepali immigrants across the U.S. The primary reason is visa fraud and overstays. Many Nepali nationals entered on temporary visas but never left. Some were misled by unauthorized consultants promising shortcuts to permanent residency, which raised red flags in the system. Human trafficking and fraudulent asylum claims have also drawn attention. These cases undermine legitimate applicants and push authorities to tighten enforcement. Unauthorized employment is another issue. Many Nepalis work in restaurants, cleaning services, and construction without work authorization. When discovered during workplace inspections, deportation proceedings often begin immediately. Background verification challenges also play a role. Nepal's limited digital records make it harder for U.S. officials to verify histories, increasing suspicion. In 2026, Nepali immigrants who violated visa terms or lack legal status face aggressive enforcement. Number 5. Myanmar. Despite an ongoing humanitarian crisis, Myanmar nationals are facing serious deportation risks in 2026. Many entered the U.S. seeking asylum, but not all asylum claims are approved. Those with rejected applications now face deportation as humanitarian protections are narrowed. Visa overstays and unauthorized work are also common triggers. Background check difficulties due to unstable record systems often result in denials and removal orders. Myanmar nationals without approved asylum or valid visas are increasingly vulnerable under tightened policies. If this information is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Number 4. Cambodia. Cambodian immigrants face one of the most painful enforcement realities in 2026, especially long-term residents. The main reason is criminal deportation. Many Cambodians arrived as refugees decades ago but never became citizens. Even minor or old convictions can now lead to deportation. Another factor is improved U.S.-Cambodia repatriation cooperation, making removals easier than before. Visa overstays, unauthorized employment, and gang-related allegations further increase risk. Even decades-old records are now being revisited. In 2026, non-citizen Cambodian immigrants face some of the highest deportation risks in decades. Number 3. Pakistan is under heavy deportation enforcement due to national security concerns and visa violations. Enhanced background checks mean that even small inconsistencies can trigger removal proceedings. Visa overstays remain a major issue, especially among students and temporary workers. Unauthorized employment and document fraud cases have also increased scrutiny. Family-based immigration fraud adds further risk. Pakistani immigrants without clean legal status face aggressive enforcement and growing uncertainty. Number 2, Afghanistan. Afghan nationals face intense deportation pressure despite extreme instability in their home country. The biggest reasons are failed asylum claims and temporary protections expiring. As humanitarian protections are reviewed and reduced, thousands risk deportation. Security vetting is especially strict. Even those who assisted U.S. military operations face removal due to documentation or background issues. Some deportations are being routed through third countries, creating further uncertainty. In 2026, Afghans without approved asylum or valid status face serious deportation risks despite humanitarian concerns. Number 1. China faces the most aggressive deportation enforcement of any Asian country in 2026. Geopolitical tensions drive strict security screening. Chinese students, researchers, and professionals face visa revocations over espionage and IP theft concerns. Visa overstays, unauthorized employment, and fraud cases, including fake marriages and false asylum claims, have led to widespread enforcement. Birth tourism and student visa crackdowns have also increased removals. In 2026, Chinese nationals face the highest deportation risk due to a combination of security concerns and immigration violations. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it helped you understand what's coming. Subscribe for the latest immigration updates. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Do you think these deportation policies are justified or too harsh? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to as many as possible.